So this is the Bandra Talao in the rains, and this is Nabi, the great ear cleaner of. आपका गांव कौन सा बोला? Yalgir. Yadgir. He is from Yadgir, Karnataka. And today he is here pretty late. Otherwise he normally goes away. नहीं आप थोड़ा लेट है इधर, इसलिए नहीं तो चला जाता. So this is Raju is not well. Qasim Bhai is in his hometown. Oh, Mehboob किधर है? These are illegal fishing. And these are madrasa kids. And this is the Bandra Talao in the rains. And now I'm heading back home. So this is the Bandra Talao in the rains. People are there is no security here. So you'll find all this going on. Illegal fishing. Work is going on.
कैसे भाई
चल रहा है?
बहुत दिनों से बीटी आई नहीं हूँ.
नहीं, बंद कर दिया अभी.
वो याद कर रहा था ललित भाई.
अच्छा.
ललित भाई और वो महेंद्र भाई.
और सब ठीक है?
ठीक, अल्लाह करम, अल्लाह करम.
ठीक है.
उस दिन सूफी लोग के साथ देखा मैंने आपको यूट्यूब पे. अल्लाह करम है, मौला करम.
I know a lot of people know me. Actually, don't know so many people, but a lot of people know me because of my attachment to Sufism, to humanity, to peace. I mean, I cannot be a Muslim that other Muslims want me to be. I do not have hate. I am devoid of hate. I live my life on my terms. I would never shoot something that would show any religion or faith in a bad light. Never showed that way. And the only thing, I'm happy I'm not a YouTube troll. I don't go to people's videos and post shit comments, abusive comments. I can't do that. I will never do that. Your religion, you take care of it. My religion, I take care of it. And my religion is not just Islam, it is humanity. Because without humanity, there's no Islam. I don't think a God that created man would want a man to destroy another man. I don't think so. It's just not possible. And it's all about your background, your ancestry, your parentage, your surroundings. I was lucky my parents were very good. And whatever videos I shoot is a reflection of their love. And they respected all religions. And I'm lucky that I've been brought up by Hindus, Buddhists, Parsis, Jews. And I hardly had any Muslim friends. I never had any Muslim friends as such. So I'm happy that I have not yet got corrupted and I never will be corrupted. I mean, you understand what I'm saying. However bad a Muslim I am, I'm happy that I am not a fundamentalist. I am not a Taliban. I am not a Wahhabi or a Salafi or a Ahle Hadith. I'm lucky I'm not those things. I'm a Shia Muslim, but I'm not even a Shia Muslim that abuses other Muslims for not being Shia Muslims. So this is it. And I will end this video here now. All the best to you all. Happy rains.